Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. I've got some Valentines bracelets to make today and I thought I would bring you along. All the supplies are available on my website, which I will link below, but it's www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk and I do send worldwide. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, lots more planned. It really helps my reach as I am a new channel. So let's get to it. I have these lovely acrylic heartbeats. These are also acrylic silver beads. Just some cutters for the elastic, and I'm using 0.6 thickness today, and I've got my trusty ruler. So we start off by, I always measure 12 inches, and that leaves enough for tying. I'm just going to pop a bead clip, or in my case a stationary clip, on the end. Just start threading. Are you making any Valentine's jewellery? Let me know what you're making in the comments below if you are. That's what we have so far. I'm going to do 7 inches as that's the standard bracelet length. Obviously, if you have smaller or larger wrists, just remove or add some more beads. Okay, I'm going to actually, what's that? It's just under, but obviously they are stretchy. If I was to carry on, it's going to make it too long to do another pattern, because I've done silver bead, 2 red, silver, 2 red, and so on. So we give it a stretch. And then we tie. So simple, as if you're tying your shoelaces. Then I'm going to go over twice. Pull. If you want to, you can put a dab of glue on the end, but I'm not going to. And then we snip those off. And there's that one. And let's do another one. These are going to be worn as stacking bracelets. obviously you do whatever pattern that you want to do. These are just going to be slightly different. Remember to hit that like button if you like what I'm doing. It really does help my channel. Thank you. Okay. Right, 2 more red beads and we're done. This one. There we go. Give it a good stretch. Then we're going to go through twice. And then just one normal knot. And we just snip the ends. That's that one. Just do one more. Make sure that's secure. Okay, so I'm just going to do 3 beads this time. 1, I've just simply added 1 silver bead extra on each one. So 1, 2, and 3. There's lots of different beads on the website, lots of different heart beads, if you want to take a look. This is just to give you an idea of something you can have a go at making. And there we have our stacking bracelets, ideal for Valentines. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.